With feathers dipped in the dawn's soft glow, a bird begins its tale, a day to sow. In skies it weaves a dance so high, a day's work sung in the lonely cry. But in the heart's garden, I love to fight, a song unsung, a broken night. Failed love echoes in silent flight, a bird's lament in fading light. Through clouds and storms the bird persists, a symphony of labor, a love dismissed. Its wings tire, but it keeps the flight, echoing the ache of a lost delight. But in the heart's garden, I love to flight. A broken night, failed love echoes in silent flight, a bird's lament in fading light. The sky, canvas of dreams and despair, a broken melody lingering the air. Day's work done, but the heart undone, a bird's tale where love was overrun. But in the heart's garden, I love to flight, a song unsung, a broken night. Failed love echoes inside.